On today's video, we are introducing the new 2025 IOD release. I think y'all are going to absolutely love the new Iron Orchid Design products. There are 18 stunning new products. Y'all, this is my second video. My first video, some of you have complained that you couldn't hear me well. What we're going to do here is we're going to go back over these projects. Hopefully the volume will be fixed. I don't know about you, but I could look at these pictures for hours. They are so inspiring and they are so beautiful, and I just absolutely love them. IOD always does a great job. So there are 5 of these transfer sets. They're 8x12 transfer sets. A lot of you are picking up every one of them. So y'all, thank you so much for choosing to purchase from me. I really appreciate that. It really means a lot. There's also 5 of these molds. Y'all check out those molds. I love the molds this time. I love them, and I love these stamps. The stamps are absolutely gorgeous, and I think you're going to like those stamps too. There's also some paint inlays, 2 paint inlays. I think you're going to love the paint inlays. And there is 1 gilded transfer. It's gold and silver. Y'all check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? And wait till you see the stock photos. Look at these projects. Y'all, those are so magical and pretty. I love, love, love them. So this video is going to be different than the last video. I'm not going to go into such detail. These are the paint inlays. I'm going to assume that most of you guys know how to put on a transfer. You probably know how to put on a paint inlay. If you don't know how to put on a paint inlay, just go check out my other video. This is the cut to the chase video, so you can see all of the different products, because I know that's actually what you want to see. But if you want to learn step by step how to put on a paint inlay, 2 different methods, go check out that last video and you can just learn. You're going to learn how to put on a paint inlay, and by the end of that video you will be confident to use a paint inlay. I ended up using this really cool deer design. I love deer. That's one thing I have never told you. I love deer. I love pine cones. I love all things winter, and I think it's just adorable. So here is this little cutting board that I made. Go over to my last video, check it out if you want to learn how to make it over. So the next project is going to be 1 more of the paint inlays, but we're going to cut to the chase here too. Here is this really cool paint inlay. This is the best part of the paint inlay when you peel it off. Look at that Santa image. I mean, how can you not love that Santa image? In the last video, I will show you how to put on the pen art crackle. I've just started carrying pen art crackle. I love pen art crackle, the fine line and the classic crackle. I also carry the antique paste, the glossy antique varnish, the clear varnish, and then the gold paste. So all of those are on my website. I offer free shipping on purchases over $100. So if you purchase over $100, you're going to get it free, shipped free. Just use the code FREESHIP $100. Here are a couple of the photos from the La Folie transfer set. This is a French inspired transfer set. It is gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. I think it's supposed to remind you of like the beautiful decorations that you see in France. If you've never been to France, go to France. I've been there one time. I absolutely loved it. So y'all get over there to France and you can see all the beautiful designs. So that's that paint inlay. So now we're on to the next project. This is a little, I called it my last one, a recipe box, but put whatever the heck you want to in it. I don't even know if people have recipe boxes these days. But here is a Santa's Hollow, the transfer set. It's a really cool set. It has all different seasons: September, October, November, December, winter, autumn. So it's got all kinds of different designs. And so I'm just showing you this transfer, and we're going to pick out a bird image, and then we're going to put it directly onto that box. Y'all, I really hate that the volume was messed up. Last night, I still have to tell y'all a story. So some of you guys know I'm a full-time attorney, and this month of August has been absolutely awful as far as hearings. I think I've had 25 plus hearings in the month of August. It's been absolutely horrible. It's been excruciatingly painful, but I'm getting through it. Tomorrow is my last big hearing. And so the point of this is I have been so busy with my regular work. I only had Sunday to do this video. Last night I worked till 10 o'clock at my regular job as a lawyer. I came home, I finished editing the video, and when I was editing it, it was really weird. It was like it was just blaring. My voice was blaring, so I was kept lowering the sound because it was so loud. One other time a video did the same thing and people complained. On my end, it doesn't sound like that, but for some reason on your end it does. So I'm sorry, but then I was in court all this morning. I prepared for a big trial tomorrow, so I've just been really busy. So if y'all could cut me a little slack, I would love that. Okay, Autumn's Blessing stamp. Love this stamp. I know I keep saying I love it, but I genuinely do. I love this stamp. It is a gorgeous stamp, and I love these. Rolling pin makeovers. If you've never made over a rolling pin with a stamp, you are missing out. Every time I do this, it amazes me. I'm going to use the turmeric color gold ink and also some black ink. It's going to give it a really cool variation, but it's really easy. You just take the rolling pin, you roll it on top of the stamps, and you get a really cool design. If you want to watch the whole thing, head over to my other video. But I also I also carry, I cannot talk, y'all. I also carry black ink, gray ink, blue ink, this turmeric, red ink, and green ink. So if you want any of those IOD inks, the ink pads, the brayers, I carry DIY paint, I carry fusion mineral paint, I carry all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in any of these projects, you can find them on my website. I'll put a link in the description, a link in the comment, and you can purchase them there. But y'all look at this. This is my favorite part. I'm moving these little stamps around so that they'll fit on the rolling pin. But y'all, if you've never done this, I'm telling you, this will be probably one of the most fun things you ever craft. No joke. But look at this. Y'all, oh, it's so pretty. I am so tired right now, but I just wanted to do this video and make it over so it's not so loud. So now I'm just talking a little bit crazy, a little bit fast, and I'm a little delirious. But if y'all are enjoying the commentary in this video, y'all give me a thumbs up. I have been working so hard this month between all those trials. And then if you didn't know, I had to open up a new booth on Sunday. I painted these shelves. You might have caught my live when I painted these large bookshelves. I made this video on Sunday. My booth is set to open in Dahlonega, Georgia with my fusion mineral paint. Yay, I'm so excited. And Whymsykel papers. That's set to open on Friday in Dahlonega, Georgia. But anyway, here's that rolling pin. Here are a couple trays I was going to make over. First, I thought I would use a Christmas transfer. But honestly, at the moment, I just wasn't feeling it. So I decided to use the Clementine transfer. But this one is called the Winter Botanist transfer. Gorgeous set. If you like birds, if you like nature, it's perfect for Christmas and after Christmas. And one of my favorite times to decorate is after Christmas. So anyway, at first I thought I was going to use this transfer, but then I changed it to the Clementine because, like I said, I just wasn't feeling it. The Clementine transfer is really pretty, and I ended up using, I think I called it oranges in the last, it's Clementines, I'm sure. You know, when we're making these videos, making a video is really different than just talking to a person. It's kind of awkward, so cut us all creators a little bit of slack. But anyway, here we go. We're just going to add that, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you the final project. Y'all check out these cute little frames. I had framed them with some hymnals, and I didn't put anything in them. I took them to my booth, but they didn't fit, so I thought, you know, this would be a very fast and easy project to show y'all on a video because, like I said, I just didn't have much time. This is the Partridge stamp. I think it's called Partridge Lane or something. I don't even remember. Partridge something or another. It's really cute though. It's got all of these little houses, these cute little houses. It's got wreaths, and it has like the 12 days of Christmas, but it is a beautiful transfer set. So I'm just going to add them to the frames. Here is the final project. And like I said before, if you want to see in detail how to do these projects, go check out the last video. So here are some more of the stock photos from IOD. Just gorgeous. That's why I decided to include them in this video. And this is called the, goodness, I don't have it in front of me, Christmas Joy, maybe. I just don't, yeah, Christmas Joy stamp. It's really cool. I wanted to share with you that. This is the Christmas Wishes stamp. Like I said before, all of these stamps are really cool. And if you want to see how to do them, head over to the other video. I'm going to cut to the chase here again. And so y'all don't have to sit here and watch this. And if y'all want to order some of this stuff, I would love that. I'd be very thankful. I really stocked up on this stuff for you guys because I know you love the Christmas transfers. I had these little gift bags because I often sell little gift bags of things in my booth. So I thought these would be really fun to make over. And these stamps are really a practical item because you can use them again and again and again and again. And you can make the coolest projects. And since we have this release early, we have plenty of time. But just think of all the things that you could stamp with these. There are so many things you could stamp. But I'm going to stamp these gift bags. You could stamp like brown wrapping paper. You could stamp books. You could just make so many really neat crafts with these. Look at that Santa, y'all. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous. I love this Santa, that Santa. I love this Santa. Anyway, we're going to cut to the chase again. Oh my gosh, that's the fourth time I said that. I probably need to stop saying that. I need to relax. I need to take a bath and relax. Anyway, if y'all are enjoying this video, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to purchase any of these products, they're on my website. I'll put them in the link. If you haven't joined my creative group over on Facebook, it is totally free. We have a lot of great crafters and people over there. You can meet some new friends. You can share your tips and tricks. You can learn tips and tricks. You can be inspired. And most importantly, you can share your own projects with all the people in the group, and we would all love to see them. So y'all go to Facebook and join that group, but it's actually in the description. You can join the group in that description. You guys, thank you so much. Look how cute these bags turned out. Y'all, if you're in the mood for more thrift flips, there'll be some more thrift flips on the screen. Someone told me not to ask them anymore which one was their favorite, so I won't ask you to tell me your favorite. I would just love for you to give me a heart emoji in the comment section. Say hello, introduce yourself, leave me a comment. I worked hard on this video in a very short amount of time. And you guys, I will talk to you in the comments.